students selecting to join one of our short courses in London can expect a really inspiring, creative and supportive atmosphere with an experienced tutor who's also a maker or artist.
I think a short course is really great because you don't have to commit lots of days to it, so you can learn a skill in the matter of hours and do it whilst coming with a friend. I've had some people come with their mum, so it's a nice way to spend time with someone and a great way of making new friends as well.
The studio spaces in London are really wonderful, large, airy and light-filled spaces. They do lend themselves really well to drawing and painting and simple printmaking techniques. We have a whole range of different subjects and we're always on the lookout for other subjects that we can add to that portfolio. We currently offer courses in printmaking, painting and drawing, textiles, bookbinding, spoon carving, leatherwork, brush making, creative writing, basketry, as well as a highly regarded series of short courses in interior design, as the London campus is home to the college's degree and diplomas in interior design and garden design. We try and be encouraging to anybody, whether they're entry-level beginners through to creative practitioners who are looking to work towards an exhibition or just need a bit of new creative energy in their work.